one of the big misunderstandings about diners, drive-ins, and dives is that I eat at burger joints like all the time, which is not really the case. So when I do eat at a burger joint, it's got to be a place that's, outside the box. So here I am outside of Boston in Somerville, Mass, to check out the Boston Burger Company.
Homemade, fresh. You don't feel like you're eating something out of a box.
Handmade and grilled up daily by owner Paul Maldoni,
Table 2, hot mess.
who mailed in a job at the post office to get back to his restaurant roots.
Got the Pilgrim Burger. Turkey burger, stuffing, cranberry mayo. It's basically Thanksgiving dinner in your mouth.
But he's got this one burger
The Mac Attack.
that's the dictionary definition of comfort food.
Mac and cheese and a burger. Two best things.
You totally recommend it to anybody that's a burger fan.
Highly recommend.
It's wicked awesome. I'm gonna make some mac and cheese. I'm gonna make the cheese sauce. Take our chopped onions, the butter. We're gonna let that sweat up. I'm gonna throw the flour right in.
Okay, so we've got the roux built, cooked out the flour, got the onions in there. Now we're gonna go with some milk.
We're gonna go with some milk. Cheeses. American. Gonna throw some cheddar.
Cheddar, wicked cheddar.
Nah, we gotta definitely get the accent going. We'll work on that. And we're gonna throw some shredded cheddar jack cheese.
So stir it up, get it done. All right, cheese sauce is made.
Gonna throw a little hot sauce.
Andale.
All right, gonna throw some Parmesan, a little Pecorino Romano. How you doing with that right there? And we're gonna throw in some salt and pepper. We're just gonna mix this right up. It's like a workout.
You are champion. You can do it, man. Work out harder. Now you dump it in the pan, let it set up overnight.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Throw a burger right down.
Okay. Nice 80-20, never frozen.
Never frozen. We make every one of these by hand every day. We'll throw on some bacon.
The bacon's cooked to order each time?
Yes, sir. This way it comes out nice. It's gonna be nice and pliable. Buns on. We toast all our buns.
And the buns are local?
The buns are local. Throw that right on the grill. Put some cheddar jack cheese on.
I'm gonna get like one of those road construction signs on my heart. Look at this. I've seen ridiculous in the burger world. This might have to be a contender.
Mac Attack.
Look at that goodness on the flat top. I'm telling you what, pretty rockin' mac and cheese, bro. Really good meat in the burger. It's got good tooth to it, good chew, good texture, good fat. The bun does a great part where it just kind of absorbs into all these flavors. But if you're gonna go for a big burger, put mac and cheese on, it's pretty gangster.
Go big or go home.
Or come here and go home big.